Yeah, man, it's pretty cool. Happy for you. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. See you. Bye. Well, my nephew just passed his driver's test. Got an 8 out of 10. The other two jumped out of his way. What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to have a little bit more fun with the Yukon. You guys may have seen my video where I did 4 different cherry bombs on my Yukon and on my Silverado, and we did some sound tests to hear which each different style of muffler sounded like. Well, I did have a comment on what would it sound like if you put all 4 cherry bombs on the truck at the same time. Got a video both on the Yukon and the Silverado, but the Yukon's a little special. It's got true dual exhaust on it. Got 2 exhaust manifolds, the pipes come down and they don't connect. There's no Y pipe on this exhaust. So it gave me the idea, what if we put 2 different cherry bombs on each pipe?
Oh, yeah.
And just do a different combination of those and hear how that sounds just for the heck of it. So let's have some fun and get started. Well, I hope you like this fun little experiment as much as I did. It's kind of a neat idea to be able to put two different styles of Cherry Bomb mufflers side by side on dual exhaust and just listen to what kind of sound it would put off. Pretty cool. In the comment section below, let me know which combination of Cherry Bombs you thought sounded the best. Personally, I liked anything that was paired with the Extreme. I think the Extreme just sounds really good on this 350 engine. So, hope you like this little experiment. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. I'm trying to put out content pretty regularly. So, as always, thanks for watching, and God bless. Golly, I think I'm high on exhaust fumes.